Morning everyone, I'm Essex Dave and welcome to my Hong Kong travel vlog. If it's your first time to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. It's September, it's autumn, so Mid-Autumn Festival is coming. A time when people like to eat mooncakes, play with colourful lanterns and celebrate the full moon for the bountiful harvest that has just taken place. Some pictures of mooncakes are coming up around about now. And follow me now to the toys market to see the beautiful display of lanterns. Okay, so here we are at the toys market. Let's dive in and see what we can find. Straight away, got some lovely handmade ones there. Goldfish, rabbits and some traditional ones on that side. Here we go, look, big fish, goldfish, lotus flowers, traditional ceremonial ones. These are the modern ones. Plastic. Aeroplane with Mickey Mouse. More cars. Generally they have lights inside. Play some annoying music. Handmade. I would say handmade is making a comeback this year. It's more handmade than anything else. Star Wars. More planes. Cars. Traditional paper.
你唔好理我啦喎！
哦，咁多啦，我以為你跟住我行。
係啊，跟住打佢。應該會啊，呢啲上電視，你要電視3蚊。我哋指俾人睇㗎嘛。係，就咁着住。呢平呢平，加唔加地錢？如果你要地鐵撳一下咧就。
A few years ago, the handmade ones were dying out, but because nobody knew how to make them anymore. But It seems like they're back in vogue. Maybe they're all people in China making them all. If you're liking this video, please don't hesitate to smash the like button. It would help me enormously.
大蓮花你有時睇到你要賣㗎啦，特別賣尾11次。係，你叫我同事攞俾你啊！呢個好嘢唔攞啊，佢都冇用啦，你又唔識做嘅。係啊，我而家識做，幫你做一個啫。佢要擺我話，我落心立立。點啊？攞埋啲兔仔嗱，呢兔仔你呢個時候你唔攞一個翻轉頭，你攞啊！我睇兔仔我。
More nice handmade ones. Traditional shapes. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!